This is Panasonic's Nano EX air generator. It's a portable air purifying solution that fits right in your car's cup holder. Panasonic's unique Nano EX technology has been used in a wide range of products from hair dryers to air conditioners to indoor air quality solutions, and now is being brought into your car in a new portable air purifying solution.
Power off.
In just 2 simple steps and about 12 minutes, you can fully repair your flat tire. Smart Spare Plus comes with 2 pieces: Slime's trusted emergency tire repair sealant and a compact, powerful tire inflator. Here's how it works. First, remove the valve cap from the tire valve stem and attach the Slime sealant hose to your tire. Second, remove the valve cap from the Slime sealant bottle and attach the tire inflator hose to it. Then, simply plug in the inflator to your 12-volt car accessory outlet and turn it on. As the air from the tire inflator moves into the hard, plastic bottle, it pushes the Slime sealant into your tire for a quick and easy tire repair. You don't even need to remove the valve core. When full tire pressure is reached, turn off the inflator and detach the pieces. No jack, no mess, no hassle. Seek a professional tire repair within 3 days or 100 miles. Refill bottles can be purchased for your kit so you're prepared for a future flat tire. The Smart Spare Plus Kit from Slime.
Introducing the Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor, the next generation technology that puts you in control of your driving safety. Safety has never looked so sexy. Using the most advanced German sensors, Zeus monitors both tire pressure and temperature in real time and sends this data to the app. Zeus is the first ever tire monitor to be able to detect slow leaks with its advanced data mining technology. This proprietary algorithm called AccurateTemp analyzes pressure and temperature data over time and alerts you to any slow leaks that other tire monitoring systems would have missed. The app report clearly pinpoints the exact tire and the rate of leakage. To make it even more versatile, we've designed it as a device that anyone can self-install. Take it with you on your next trip and easily install in just 3 steps on your rental car. When it comes to protecting your family everywhere you go, choose the next generation in safety technology. Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor by Nonda. Today's technology for yesterday's car.
Get out of my car!
A Ring camera for your car now?
Alexa, record.
Welcome to Mobileye, one of the world's most advanced systems for preventing collisions and saving lives. This system has been proven to reduce collisions by up to 45%. That's why many of the world's leading brands and truck manufacturers put their trust in Mobileye. In this video, we'll give you a quick tour of the Mobileye 8 Connect and how its features help to keep you safe on the road. The Mobileye vision sensor is installed on your windshield, usually just behind the rearview mirror, so the camera can get a clear view of the road ahead. The GPS unit is also mounted on the windshield, away from the camera. The camera scans the road ahead and uses complex algorithms to keep track of potential risks to safety. If the system determines you are at risk of collision, you will be alerted with both audio and visual alerts. The visual alerts will appear on the system's display unit, the iWatch. When you start your vehicle, the iWatch will display the Mobileye logo and then 2 yellow lines. This lets you know the system is active and ready. Now, let's take a look at the safety alerts your unit might display and what they mean. While you're on the road, Mobileye is constantly monitoring the time between you and the vehicle ahead of you. Normally, Mobileye will display a predetermined safe green number, which shows you're following time in seconds. If you get too close to the vehicle ahead in following time, Mobileye will beep once and display a red car icon with the unsafe following distance. This tells you to slow down a bit so you can maintain a safe following distance. This warning is only active when you are going over 19 miles per hour. Next is the forward collision warning. Mobileye constantly monitors your speed and the distance between you and the vehicle ahead of you, or any vehicle that may suddenly cut in front of you. When there's a high risk of imminent collision, Mobileye will beep rapidly and display a red car icon so you can take action and avoid a dangerous situation. Urban Forward Collision Warning is also available for city driving at speeds under 19 miles per hour. Mobileye also keeps track of what lane you're driving in. If you leave your lane without signaling, Mobileye will beep rapidly and display white dashes along the appropriate side of the iWatch to prevent you from unintentionally drifting into the wrong lane. But if you're signaling, then Mobileye assumes that the lane changing is intentional and does not provide a warning. This warning is active at speeds over 34 miles per hour. Mobileye also looks out for pedestrians and cyclists to help keep city streets safe. When a pedestrian or a cyclist is detected in your path and there's a risk of a collision, Mobileye will beep and display a red pedestrian icon on the iWatch. Mobileye also uses speed sign recognition to keep track of the speed limit. When a speed limit sign is detected, it is displayed across the iWatch and then lowers into the corner. When you exceed the last detected speed limit, the icon blinks, indicating you need to slow down. Some Mobileye systems include additional features like adjustable volume. Check with your fleet manager to see if your system is equipped with these features. Please note, Mobileye is an alert-based system only. It does not affect the operation of the vehicle. So, Mobileye will not decelerate the vehicle, brake, or move the steering wheel. It does not replace any actions drivers would normally perform when driving a motor vehicle, nor does it decrease the need for drivers to stay vigilant and alert in all driving conditions, to conform to all safety driving standards and practices, and obey all traffic rules and regulations. Also, Mobileye only scans the road ahead. There are no side sensors, in-cab cameras, or backup camera capabilities. To ensure your privacy, it does not capture, record, or store any footage of you. Mobileye is not intended to prove who's at fault in the event of a collision, but to keep the event from happening in the first place.
Hey Chris, call Michael Garcia.
Calling Michael Garcia on the unknown number.
Play The Sky from Psalm Trees. Hey Chris, send a text message to Brian Roca.
What is the message you want to send?
See you at the lake.
Sending it now. You have a new text message from Brian Roca.
Take me to the yacht club.
Starting navigation to Zero West 17.
I'll drop Jacob off tomorrow after school.
Introduce Lemoto VAS Pro, a dual 1080-pixel full-color night vision system and dash cam to let you drive safe at night. 8-inch high-resolution screen, 2.5D process technology, high-quality requirement. Support 128G storage. One-time record up to 30 hours, then automatically renew. With Sony CMOS chip and 7-layer glass lens, Lemoto VAS Pro can capture clear view even in darkness and make it just as daylight. The night view distance can be up to 300 meters and let you have 2 to 3 more seconds to act. Bad weather? No problem. In rainy, foggy, or snowy day, Lemoto VAS Pro still can offer excellent view. 2 ways to power on. Connect with OBD or the cigarette lighter. Then it can work. 2 ways installation. Lemoto VAS Pro can fit any car.